we can get a bunch of grottos. A lot of problems can be solved with explosives. That's true. How long since my last run? I streamed the last one I did. Actually, that's a lie. After I ended stream, the last time I did Ocarina of Time Rando, I immediately did another run and then went to sleep. There's one more Skulltula here somewhere, right? I don't know where it is. I don't remember. That's fine. I only need like 10 on average, 20, because I think logic assumes you won't have 30 by the end of Child or something. So we can go Lost Woods and then we can go, Goron. Hey, I did it! But yeah, you can go in here, as Child. You can't get the thing though. I mean, I can get the Skulltula. I don't know how to actually cross the Sand River though, so that's... Like, I don't have too much use for this, knowing how to do this, and I'm not very consistent at it either. Oh, fairy! I'm not very consistent at it, and I don't really have a use for it in like this way that I've been practicing, like to Door of Time. Look at the dog's paws. Look at the dog's paws. Chat, Raiders, look at the dog. Hello, Raiders. Is it possible to go to the fortress? Yes, it is possible to go to the fortress. Well, thank you. Hello, Raiders. Thank you so much for the raid. Thank you. Altaria build crew. I wonder if there's something good at 20 tokens. Maybe the Song of Time could be. This room, we take off our shield. I've lost my shield too many times to this room. It's annoying and I hate it. Leave me alone. Should I practice the slingshot skip? I have the slingshot though. Bombs? Rope? No. See, I did learn how to do the skip. I can show you guys. Okay. I practiced it a little bit more. Alright, I didn't get it. Let's float back up. I'm pretty sure there's actually like a setup that you can do for this to get it more consistently. Like with side hops and stuff. No! My muscle memory is failing me. Okay, we can do it the other way though. I'm kind of annoyed I forgot that other method, but I got it, so it's fine. I need to save at least 2 bombs for Dodongo's eyes. Hopefully I can find some more. Is anything like the Z-target? The Z-target sounds that annoys you? That one? Sorry. Sorry. I really hope that this dungeon is kind to me and gives me bombs somewhere, because I really need bombs.